Man, it crashed again.
Having problems?
I have no idea how I'm gonna pay this, man.
Just the right thing for you. Have you ever heard of car insurance?
Car insurance? What is that?
Car insurance is very important. Car insurance will save you tons of money in the case that you crash or damage your car. Repairing a vehicle may be very expensive, and thanks to car insurance you can save tons of money. They will pay a certain percentage of the expenses necessary to repair your car depending on the situation or the type of damage there was to your car.
If car insurance is so great, why don't we insure everything?
We do! There are many types of insurances. Life insurance, health insurance, long-term disability insurance, house insurance, and many more.
Gosh! I'm gonna insure everything!
Be careful, insurances are very expensive and you don't want to be spending money on insurances that won't help you at all. Like, let's say you're in your mid-20s, you don't want to spend money in life insurance. Your probabilities of dying are very low at that age. You want to spend money in cars, houses, health insurance, etc. Now, I'm going to talk about the details about car insurance. What is car insurance? Well, the definition of car insurance is insurance against loss due to theft or traffic accidents to your car. Before purchasing car insurance, you must consider a variety of factors, including what kind of car you have, your driving record, and the amount of money you're willing to pay. Understanding the simple basics of car insurance will make you confident that your car insurance policy you choose will take care of your needs in the event of an accident. The first step is reading over the various types of coverages that the insurance company will offer. Things like collision, comprehensive, medical coverage, PIP, all these important factors. It is very important that you read over the definition of this so you know which will be the right for you. The final and largest factor that you want to keep in mind is how much you're willing to spend on car insurance. If you have a car that costs less than $2,000, maybe you don't want to be spending too much money in car insurance. But if you owe a car that costs above $50,000, definitely you will be wanting to buy car insurance.
I heard something about disability insurance.
Why yes, many people go broke because of work-related disability accidents. Let's say you have an accident.
Oh!
You're back, and you have to go into intense therapies to be able to recover from the accident. These therapies will cost you tons of money, and the only way you can pay this is by having disability insurance. Now, I'm going to talk about long-term disability insurance. Long-term disability insurance is an insurance policy that protects an employee from loss of income in the event that he or she is unable to work due to an illness, injury, or accident for a long period of time. It is very important for you as an employer to choose the right type of coverage. Most plans cover from 50 to 70% of your monthly salary. It is very important to choose the right type of coverage, since some will only benefit you for 5 to 10 years, while others will pay you until you're 65 years old. Now, I want to talk about house insurance. Let's say you have an accident in the kitchen and your house burns down. How will you be able to pay a new house? There's only one answer: house insurance. House insurance is one of the major expenses that you will have to pay along your life. House insurance will be tremendously beneficial in the case of any type of accident. Now, I'm going to talk about house insurance. House insurance is one of the most crucial things that you will need, especially if you live in a place where your house might get robbed or damaged. House insurance covers many types of things, all ranging from robbery to paying damages made to your home. The first thing you have to know is how easily is your house going to get robbed or damaged depending on the place that you live. This way, you will know what kind of insurance policy you want to buy. If you live in a place where your house is more likely going to get robbed or damaged, you will want to invest more money in house insurance. Likewise, if your house is less susceptible to being damaged or robbed, maybe you don't want to be spending too much money in house insurance.
What if you break a leg?
That's where medical insurance will come in. Let's say you break an arm, a leg, or you have, I don't know, some kind of head concussion, well, who will pay for these operations? Obviously not you. They are very expensive. Thanks to medical insurance, they will pay for any type of medical problems that you have. Well, not really. It depends on what kind of insurance you have, what your insurance covers. Maybe it doesn't cover very expensive operations. In that case, you have to buy other types of medical insurance.
You've enlightened me, man. I'm about to get some real nice insurances. Thank you for these wonderful tips. I really need to get some insurance for me and my family.
Don't worry, man. It was a pleasure.
Where'd you go?
I've always been with you.
Was that you, Jesus?